Hello and welcome to Do It Like a Dancer. This new series is called 1 Minute to Better Choreography, and it's short 1-minute videos on tips and tricks that will make your choreography pop and tell better stories. The theme for today is motifs. Now, you hear this word a lot when it comes to visual arts. It's a repeating pattern that appears multiple times in a work or in a body of work. But you also hear them in music, like the themes basically in movies, like character themes. But you also see them in dance. It's less well known, but if you look for it, you can find it. Basically, the benefit of using a motif, which is a short repeating movement phrase, something like this, the benefits of using motif is that it helps orient your audience into where they are in the story. So, for example, if you see the same motif, but in a slightly different physical quality, it will tell you something about what is happening in the story at that moment. So not just using the same motif, but also to use it with different physicalities, different dynamics can really do a lot for helping your viewer understand where they are in the story and what's going on. And there you have it, 1 minute to better choreography. Make sure you tune in next time for the next theme, and don't forget to do all of the various YouTube things like subscribe, press the bell notification, and if you find this interesting, share it with a friend. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my amazing patrons who help this work and continue and the world go around. You guys are amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.